sides 50 through 100 indicate the amount of times that I've helped you without the expectation of reciprocation, including but not limited to the times that I finished your crossword puzzles and jumbles occasionally, when I helped you move, when I helped you pack when you weren't ready to move even though you said you would be, when I picked you up from the bar, when I picked your friends up from the bar, when I dropped you off at the airport, when I dropped your friends off to the airport, when I gave you driving lessons, when I gave your friends driving lessons, when I took care of you when you were sick, and when I gave my good kidney to your pet pig. And it's not that I regret doing any of these things, it's just that... Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought I put this phone on silent. That's part of why I need your help. It just won't do anything that I ask it to do. It looks like a text message. I'm so sorry. I'll just look at it and I'll be 1 second. It's just unfair that I do so many things for you and you can't literally lift a finger to help me. I missed a voicemail too. I might as well get that. I'll be a minute. Oh, the sound is so tinny. I'll adjust the volume. It's useless. It has to go back to factory settings. Fine. I'll do it. On the other hand, if you can't lend one, maybe I'll just take one. Oh, thank heavens for helping hand. High five.
Yes, it was me. Yes, I do understand store policy. I really am sorry. I do know that it is an employees only washroom. But the kid was only 4 years old and he really had to go. No. No, the mother didn't buy anything. Yes, I know that sales are really, really important. And I will work really hard and I will try and sell even more shoes. And I promise it won't happen again. Yeah, I do want this job. I really need this job. I suppose I should have gone to university. God help me. Diddle-doo-doo. Oh, diddle-doo-doo. Oh, I'm so sorry. I hardly ever get any messages, so I hadn't even turned off my diddle-doo-doo. Can I just check? Thank you. Thank you. I'm just going to check this and see what it says. Okay, thanks. What? Oh, yes. Thank you. See me on Monday?